YouTube crafters and DIYers. If you are under 1,000 subscribers, you're invited to join Small Creator Sunday. This is a monthly challenge that I have on my channel to showcase small channels and the crafts that they create. Each month has a different theme, and this month's theme is Thanksgiving, called Turkey Trot. And the playlist will be posted November 21st at noon Central Standard Time. Joining me this month is Sarah from Can Sarah DIY It? The rules are simple. Make sure you're subscribed to both of our channels. Put our links and the link to the playlist in your description box. Make sure your video is not set to go public before noon Central Standard Time, so we all hit that algorithm at the same time. Use Small Creator Sunday in your title. And don't forget, it's a Thanksgiving theme. If you're only on Instagram, you can also participate and just use the hashtag Small Creator Sunday. I hope to see you guys there.